In this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom bottom navigation bar in a Flutter. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow this video till the end to get the complete guide how to do it properly. So if you're new to the channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment under the video, and share the video. So I will be providing the Flutter link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So let's dive right into it. So number one thing is set up the layout. After that, what you have to do is to decide a navigation type, what navigation type you want to go with, and after that define our navigation items. Decide the number of tabs or items and their icons or labels. Customize their appearances with colors, sizes, or shapes. Handle navigation state after that. Maintain a state variable that could be current index to track the active tab. Update the active screen or widget based on the selected items. Customize the interaction. After that, style the bar. Last step is test the responsiveness. So this approach lets you create both standard and fully customized navigation bar tailored to your app design. That's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.